Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update. Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your UKVI account details. So first, you may want to head over to gov.uk, and in the search bar, we're just going to type in UKVI, and from here, you should be able to see update your UKVI account details. And all you have to do is click on this. And from the search results, if you scroll down under the e-visas link, you should be able to see update your details in your UKVI account link. And just click on this and scroll down until you see update your UKVI account button. And all you have to do is click on this. And from here, you will be asked what identity document do you use to sign into your UKVI account. So just choose the applicable document. So say for example, you choose passport. So then just proceed by clicking on the continue button. You will then be asked, of course, what is your passport number? So your passport number should look like this. Then just proceed by clicking on continue. You will then be asked what is your date of birth, then proceed. Then lastly, you will be asked how do you want to receive a security code, if it's through an SMS or through an email. Then just choose and just enter the security code that you will receive from any of these two. Then just proceed by clicking on the continue button. And once you've successfully signed into your account, just choose from the left panel the details that you want to change, if it's personal details, contact details, and sign in details. And say, for example, we're going to choose contact details and we're planning to change or update our postal address. And all you have to do is click on the change link beside the detail that you want to change. Proceed by clicking on the continue button, and from here, all you have to do is answer all the on screen prompts and questions. And in our example, we are asked if this is our new postal address in the UK. So just answer by yes or no, then proceed by clicking on the continue button. So the last step is checking that all the details that we entered are correct. You can change any details anytime by clicking on the change link beside it. Then once everything is done, just proceed by clicking on confirm and submit button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.